Nobody taught me how to invest. No school, no my parents, no my employer. And for most of my adult life, I just widget. I put money in a saving account, watched inflation hit quietly, and told myself I'd figure it out later. Well, later arrived. I am 50 years old, and about a year ago I decided to actually learn properly from scratch. These 5 courses are where I started. Most of them are completely free, and I generally, with someone had handed me this list 30 years ago. Welcome to Wealth World. I am Claudio. I am not financial advisor. I am just someone who started late and is documenting every step honestly. If that sounds like you, subscribe. Right, let's get into. Before I show you the courses, I want to be upfront about something. This list original came from a CNBC article from 2020. I found it when I was searching for somewhere to start. I worked through all 5 courses myself, but 2 of them are no longer free. They have moved to Skillshare, which has a subscription. I'm keeping them in the list because they genuinely help me, but I will flag clear which ones cost money, and you can decide if they're worth it. No hidden surprises. That's how we do things here. Course 1, Buzz 123. Introduction to Investment by Professor Frank Payano from Southwestern Community College in California. This one is completely free, and it's the most comprehensive of the 5. 43 lectures, everything from what a stock actually is, to bonds, mutual fund, ETFs, hybrid instruments. The Professor Payano has been teaching this for decades, and he makes it genuinely enjoyable. You can access through his website, wonderprofessor.com, and there is also a free companion textbook on LibreText. What I got from it, a proper foundation, not just definitions, actually understanding of why different investments behave differently. If you only do 1 course from this list, make this one. Course 2, Investing 101, Stock Market, Course for Beginner by Stock Market 101, also free. Thought worth checking the current price before you sign up, and these things can change. This one is reading based rather than video, which actually like it as change of pace. 10 chapters starting from absolute basics and building up to how market actually move and why. Good for anyone who finds video lectures a bit passive and wants to read at their own speed. What I got from it, a clear understanding of market mechanics. Why price move? What drives sentiment? Solid grounding. Course 3, and there is where I need to be honest with you. Investing 101 understanding the stock market on Skillshare. This was free when the CNBC articles was written in 2020. It's now behind the Skillshare paywall. Skillshare typically costs around £10 to £15 a month, though they often have a free trial period. I will put the link in the description so you can check the current offer. Is it worth it? The course itself is only 8 short lessons, each just a few minutes long. It's taught by Business Casual, a digital media company. It covers stock exchanges, brokers, ETFs, why companies go public. Generally clear and well produced. If you were going to use Skillshare anyway, this is a good starting point. If you are not, Course 1 covers the same ground for free. Course 4, the Investing Masterclass by Wealth Simple. Free and honestly, the most enjoyable one on the list. 10 short videos under 45 minutes total. Wealth Simple made this to teach investing without jargon, and they have delivered. It covers how the stock market works, passive versus active investing, automating your finances, and socially responsible investing. The production quality is high. It doesn't feel like a lecture. It feels like a conversation. What I got from it? A shift in mindset around passive investing. In particular, the explanation of why most active fund managers underperform. A simple index found that one landed. It changed how I approach my ISA. I will put the link in the description. Course 5, Investing Basic for Millennials, also on Skillshare, also now paid. Same situation as a course 3, but I included it because despite only being 16 minutes, yes, 16 minutes, it covers compound interest, diversification, and historical stock market returns in a way that actually clicked for me. 5 lectures, each under 6 minutes. If you are someone who feels overwhelmed by long courses, this is a genuinely low commitment starting point. Again, Skillshare link in the description. Check for a free trial. So, why I'm telling you all this? Because a year ago I sat down, worked through these 5 courses over a few weeks, and something shifted. I stopped feeling like investing was something other people did. People who were smarter or started early or had more money. I started to see it as a skill, and skills can be learned. It is where that led me. I am now on a mission to build £200,000 in a stocks and shares ISA before I retire, starting from scratch at 50. Every contribution, every decision, every mistake documented honestly on this channel. Not because I am an expert, because I am not. And I think that's more useful. If that journey interests you, if you are someone to feel financial behind and wants to watch someone figure it out in real time, hit subscribe. The next video is going to cover the book that completely changed how I think about money, and After that, I will show you exactly what my eyes looks like right now, the real numbers. Links to all 5 courses are in the description below. I have flagged which ones are free and which one now cost money. No surprises. As always, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research before making any investment decision. I'll see you in the next one.